Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bookholic. From today onwards, I start book reviewing and recommending. So the books which can make you bookworm, which can change your life, that's why you can find your book. So the today's tagline is the book every Indian should read. So what is a book? A book where creativity meets eternity, where science meets philosophy. The author, who is a good writer, good philosopher, great scientist, and great president also. I guess you can guess this, right? Yes, you are guessing right. I'm talking about APJ Abdul Kalam sir. And today I'm going to talk about his autobiography, The Wings of Fire. This is the book that every Indian should read, because while reading it, you can feel proud. It can feel proud as an Indian yourself, and that's why I am suggesting you just once, at least once, you should read it. So throughout the book, while reading, I was just astonished that how can be a scientist is a good literator? How can be a good writer? His writing, his explanation, his words are not less than any novelist, and this is very clear throughout this book that he has a love for literature, because in his whole life, the situation is good or bad, he always depends on some quotes by some renowned poets of worldwide, and he wrote it down too. This book exhales some shades of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. One is his love for literature. While reading this book, I made me feel that he could be a good writer also. He could be successful as a writer too. Second is his philosophy sense that he got from his father, Jainul Abedin. He always believes in the power of eternity. He always looks at the science as a side of a coin whose another side is philosophy. So this short belief, this very gentle belief in God and eternity, I guess, and for this humanitical training from his father, make him a great human being. We all know his father Jainul Abedin is over all type of casteism. Bakshi Lakshmana Shastri, the highest priest of Rameshwaram temple, was his best friend. This equal sight to everyone, we can see it makes a difference in the life of APJ Abdul Kalam sir everywhere, in every concerning moment of his life. Another part is most important, and we all know he is a great scientist, as he always knew that his country can't afford too much money to him, but he never left this country. He has a great patriotic sense. He dedicated his life to make this country number one in rocketry and aerospace scientist world, and he made it. After just some years of after 35 years of independence, SLV-3 launched from India in a leadership of him, in a leadership of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, which is the fifth country who launched this kind of satellite, SLV-3. So India got the fifth position in the world who launched a satellite vehicle like SLV-3, and he has a dream that India should do something, that India make the first position in the world. He did it. Without him, IGMDP, and that means the integrated missile program, can't be succeeded by DRDO. And the most important part of IGMDP is Agni, which is a nuclear weapon, surface to surface long range nuclear weapon, which is exceptional and which is the first time in the world, and India made it just after 41 years of independence. Can you imagine a country which was under British rule for 200 long years, and then after independence just within 41 years with own equipment they made something like that Agni, which is first in our worldwide. It's only possible for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and it is written in his book too. His journey from ISRO to DRDO is not less than an adventurous story. You can feel fulfilled and satisfied when you completed reading this book. At the end of this book, our author told one thing, or to write down one thing: I do not wish to set myself as an example to others, but I believe that a few readers may draw inspiration and come to experience the ultimate satisfaction which can only be found in life of the spirit. He believed it. Now many of you are already eager to read that by hearing from me. Then what are you waiting for? Grab it. If you are comfortable with PDF, you can download PDF from internet. There are many more PDFs available in the internet, and if you are comfortable with paperbacks like me, you can buy it from anywhere, but I will give the link of Flipkart and Amazon. I bought it from a street of Esplanade basically. So it is of University Press, and its price, I bought it in only 120 rupees. Can you imagine this kind of gem I just got in 120 rupees? So yeah, I got it. So you can brought it from any book market or Flipkart or Amazon, whatever you want, but in Flipkart its price is little higher. Just wait it down. When the price reduces, then you can afford it, and you can grab this book. So it is a book with whole life-changing inspirations in such affordable price. I always try to tell you about some books that can change your life, that can inspire you, but you can afford it easily. I think always money is not the big issue, should not be the big issue between learning and you. So I'll always try to do that. I'll always try to suggest you something that is affordable for you. So okay, this is all for today. This is my feelings, this is my realization when I read this book. Read this book and let me know what is your thinking about this book, what is your realization in the comment box. And you can also mail me. My mail ID is given in the description box also. You can mail your thoughts about these books. I'll definitely try to reply it. And please don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe, please. And till next video, stay tuned. Ta-da.